You obviously focus on strength training. I want to hear about the benefits of that. But, people are trying to make sense of like, do I need to do Pilates? Do I need to do yoga? Do I need to do HIIT workouts? Do I need, there's just so much on offer today, especially in LA, but there's so much on offer all over the world.
Absolutely.
And people are just wondering what's going to work. I was telling you earlier that, if I'm doing a workout and I'm not seeing progress either in strength or physique or whatever it may be, then you get discouraged and then you let go of it. So walk us through the different benefits of different exercises and why strength training is a priority for you.
In my actual programming, I also incorporate some higher intensity, and I try to weave in a little bit of fun cardio. So I do incorporate different modalities. It's not strictly, strength training and it's not powerlifting by any means. It's strength training, but I do incorporate like HIIT sessions and some cardio because I value all of the components, all of the different modalities. But for me, strength training is sort of like the golden standard, because that is what is going to strengthen your bones. That's what's going to build muscle mass and a vast array of other benefits that not every modality has. Strength training is proven to increase, like I said, bone density and muscle mass, which are so crucial to longevity and a healthy longevity. And longevity now has become such a buzzword. And if you could do one thing for your longevity, is strength train.
What's actually happening when we do strength training? Like, why does it link to longevity? The bone density is an important part. What else is happening because of strength training? Because what I always hear about is, as you get older and if you fall over, you need the strength to pick yourself back up. But like, how is strength training in other ways really impacting our longevity?
Yeah, because it is our bone density max is reached at about age 25 to 30. And from there, we start to lose bone density. And by the age 40 and on, we start to lose bone density faster than we can build it. So then what happens at that point is that when we do fall, we break a hip or a wrist, and then the chances of recovery from that are much less. So that leads to deaths. I think there is like 32,000 deaths caused from fall injuries in adults like 65 and older. And obviously, if you can build, and muscles the same way, you start losing after the age of 30, believe it or not, you start losing muscle mass at about 3 to 8% every decade. So that's incredible. Those are incredible numbers. At the age 30 is a little bit slower, but then it starts to pick up at 40, 50, and then by 60 is even faster. So if you can build as much as you can in bone and muscle, as when you can, that will just help you carry yourself through and healthier in the older years, in the later years of life. Because again, you can either prevent yourself from falling, or you can recover faster from an injury because your bone density is where it is more optimal than it would have been if you hadn't been building that bone mass.